All, we will talk to son of Chandramohan Siddharth. We will talk to him how he is contributing to this political journey of his father. So welcome to NDTV. How do you contribute to this political journey? We have seen all the people, they are discussing about the political strategy and making the strategy so that they will be able to go for this contributing to your father Chandramohan for this politics which he has already been involved.
I'm trying to make sure that all of the youth of Panchkula connects with my father, and I'm trying to make sure that we don't lose sight of the organizational structure and the organizational focus that is needed to win the election.
Well, you have got a duty for motivating youth and just trying to convince them what the party policies are.
That's right. So we are planning some events for the youth specifically, and I'm trying to make sure that the youth come to all the programs that my father has organized. And I'm also trying to make sure that the youth get the message that we are working for them for unemployment. We are trying to build sports grounds in every village. So this message has to reach every youth of Panchkula.
So, well, you are trying to connect all the youth. So we will talk to the wife of Siddharth because she is also holding multiple meetings with the girls, women also in Panchkula. So what type of program are you holding and how you are contributing to your father-in-law's this political journey?
I'm very lucky to be a part of this journey. I'm actually from the Agrawal community, Marwadi community, so I'm actually trying to mobilize my community, and I have a program today as well where I'm meeting several members of the community, and I'm going to appeal to them to vote for a better Panchkula. And I'm taking care of this little one.
Okay. So, well, she is also trying to contribute to father-in-law's journey, this political journey, and the lady of this house, we will talk to her. You have been cooking food, you have been serving meal to all the family members, but in this political journey, how do you support Chandramohan for this political journey? Because we have seen this is the only candidate is not contesting, even the whole family, they are contributing.
Yes. I go around and I meet all the ladies and the women, and I want them to come and approach me whenever they want, and they should have a place that where they can meet a lady and they can discuss about their problems.
How you are going to unfold your day?
No, here we are like a family, and we are sitting and we are enjoying with my grandson, and after breakfast, then of course we'll sit and discuss about it.
Okay.
Yes.
Then you make out your plan and then you will work on according to that.
Yes. My son is also helping and contributing a lot. He had planted at least more than 1,000 trees, and he had gone by cycling, and he's very hardworking, and I'm very grateful that the way the people come and let me know all this. As a mother, of course, I always praise him, but it's nice when people come over and let me know, my own family, everyone around, about my son. That makes me very proud. And
So we can say that whole family is contributing. So how this team is working? This is the home team where we have seen your son, daughter-in-law, your wife, they have been participating in all these things. So how do you see, how do you assign the work to them, and whether they are holding the meetings with the people in Panchkula, Barwala and other places?
ये मुझसे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं और इनको कुछ भी असाइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये 2-3 चुनाव लड़ चुके हैं पहले, और मैं अपना दिन अपने पोते के साथ स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ये 6 बजे, अगर मैं सो भी रहा हूँ तो 6 बजे मुझे उठा देता है कि चलो दादा आप फील्ड में।
तो मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि आपका पोता आपको आजकल पॉलिटिकली पुश कर रहा है कि आप जाओ और लोगों का काम करो।
हाँ, बिल्कुल कर रहा है।
तो दिन में कितनी मीटिंग्स करते हैं, दिन में कितने प्रोग्राम्स करते हैं, उसमें फैमिली कहाँ इन्वॉल्व होती है? जैसे ये ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे आप डिस्कस करते हो, उसके बाद एक मीटिंग करते हो, उसके बाद आप लोगों में जाते हो, वो अलग अलग काम साइन करते हो, तो कैसे पूरा दिन कैसे प्लान करते हैं?
मेरे दिन में कम से कम 25-30 जगह प्रोग्राम होते हैं। 25-30 जगह मैं जाता हूँ। मेरी वाइफ डोर टू डोर करती है, लेडीज़ महिलाओं हमारी बहनों से मिलती है, बेटा यूथ से मिलता है, बेटी शताक्षी अपने तरीके से काम कर रही है, मीडिया को भी मैनेज करती है ये, और भी मैनेजमेंट करते हैं ये।
तो सर सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या है? क्योंकि पिछली बार कहीं ना कहीं बीजेपी की वेव थी, इस बार कह रहे हैं एंटी इनकमेंसी है। फार्मर्स का आज हमने देखा कंगना रनौत ने एक दोबारा से स्टेटमेंट दे दी कि फार्म लॉज रिवाइव करने चाहिए, सारे इम्प्लीमेंट करने चाहिए। तो कहीं ना कहीं कैसे देख रहे हो कि पूरे हरियाणा की सियासत को, कि आप डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर भी रहे हो?
कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा अपने प्रोग्राम पॉलिसी पे वोट मांगती है, हम डेवलपमेंट पे वोट मांगते हैं। जो हमने क्या किया और क्या हम करने जा रहे हैं। हम कोई जाति पाति की बात नहीं करते, छत्तीस बिरादरी की बात करते हैं।
तो शैलजा जी आ रहे हैं क्योंकि लगातार बीजेपी इस बात को एक्सप्लॉइट कर रही है कि पार्टी इन फाइटिंग है, तो शैलजा जी आ रहे हैं कैंपेन करने। आपको लग रहा है कि कोई पार्टी में इन फाइटिंग नहीं है कि जहाँ है जो आपको डेंट कर सकते
नहीं, कोई इनफाइटिंग नहीं है। आदरणीय बहन शैलजा जी 29 को पंचकुला आ रहे हैं, आप भी आइएगा।